Hi student, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Academic Junction. So in this video, we will be telling you about all the programs that we offer for SP2. So as SP2, the name suggests life insurance, it's completely specific exam, and what matters in this exam to clear this exam is that you are writing the specifics which are required considering the question background that has been provided to you. So writing, making points in limited time frame, and that to the specific points is something that matters a lot for this particular subject. So we at Academic Junction are providing training for SP2 via different programs. So if you can check out on our website, we have different programs available. So one is the full program, that is videos plus live. Now in this program, you will be getting upfront 150 to 200 hours of lectures, video lectures, which have everything, your content, past papers, X series, all the different type of question discussion is there in the past papers lectures, and the entire content of co-reading is there in the content lectures. So if you are going through these lectures, like if you are going through content lectures, you can skip going through co-reading at all. There is no requirement of going through the co-reading. If you are going through the past papers lectures, so we have covered questions from 2012 onwards of both II as well as IFOA in our past papers lectures. So it's like your time for self study would be, you don't need to spend time on self study when you are going through the past papers lectures. Now, apart from the video content, what else is there in full program is that on weekends we will be discussing on the spot questions discussion. We will be meeting live via our software and via Zoom as well, and we will be discussing different questions, how to improve. I will be giving you questions on the spot and will be asking for your response on that. So on the spot questions discussion and on the spot feedback discussion is there in the weekend sessions. Now, apart from the content and the like live sessions, what else we are providing in full program is that you get access to our weekly targets. So every Monday you will receive the targets with respect to how to proceed for the entire week, and the team also do a video tracking based on these targets. So momentum is there for you, that for every week how you need to proceed, and you will be proceeding as per the targets, and if you are deviating from the targets, so team is there to notify you. And apart from this video tracking and weekly targets, we have 24 into 7 doubts portal where you can put your doubts and we will take those doubts either via portal only or via Zoom session or in a group live session. And we have chapter wise summary list, which is actually a list of chapter wise questions of both II as well as IFOA that you need to do unit wise. So you don't need to spend your time in identifying the questions of a particular set of chapters that you're done with. We have segregated a different set of chapters based on how they are evaluated in exam, and based on that we have prepared questions list. So you get access to the summary list, you get access to our unit tests, assignments, mocks, and your tests and mocks will be checked by us, and you will get a detailed feedback on that. And tests and mocks are in completely exam pattern only, so you get a real life experience, and we will be preparing you throughout your entire diet that how you need to improve upon your writing points, because this is what the subject requires. So marking on tests and mocks is something which is required a lot by students, because that will help you to identify your weak areas. So validity of this full program is limited to 1 year, because generally students are able to clear in 1 year. If required, we can extend it further as well with minimum charges involved. Now, another program is exclusive videos program, or we say EVP. Now, the difference between this program and full program is that if you feel you don't want live sessions, or if you are not available for the live sessions, you can go for the video program, which has same facilities as full program except for the difference of live sessions. So those who want to take on the spot question discussion, on the spot feedback, along with all these facilities, go for full. And those who feel that they might not be available at the class time, or they are not available for the live sessions, they can go for our exclusive videos program, which has everything same except for the difference of the live sessions. Another program is for those students, basically self-study program, who are actually I mean, they have given the subject before and they just want our guidance, or they just want access to our content, but are generally focusing more on the self-study. So they can go for the self-study program. As the name suggests, this is for those students only who are basically going for self-study, but they want our guidance with respect to our content and with respect to our lectures. So you can go for the self-study program. So this program does not have any live sessions on marking on tests and mocks or any weekly targets or tracking. But yes, it gives you the entire content which is there in our video program or full program. So generally, all those who are going for self-study or all those who want SP2 program at a relatively lower rate can go for this self-study program. So our website clearly highlights the difference between all these three programs. Now, it's very, very important that for SP2, we are planning our studies effectively, and we are choosing the program which actually helps us in our studies, and we are here for all your help as well. Now, we have prepared an orientation session also, in which I have highlighted that basically how we will be proceeding for the upcoming event. So you can check out that orientation session in our description box. And apart from the orientation session, in our description box, we have also mentioned the link of the entire SP2 playlist, which actually describes the different real life lectures, which actually gives you an idea of how the lectures take place. We have added multiple Zoom sessions that we take in our those playlists. We have added different content lectures in that playlist, and we have added different past papers lectures. So you get idea of all the different type of lectures, like how the content is there, how the past papers discussion takes place, and how the extra Zoom sessions take place. Now, apart from this, we have also added the product purchase link in our description box. So if you are planning to start with SP2 and are confused related to which program to choose for, I hope this video fulfills all your requirements. Still, in case you feel any doubts are there, you can check out on our website for further details, or you can contact our counselor on the number mentioned. We will guide you our best, and hoping to start your career with us. Happy learning. Thank you.